Nice kill. Hey! Go! I think we should light Jeremiah up. I mean, I'm sorry.
Where are they?
I kind of want to rush them at the lake. No, I know where we can go. There's a little place in the, like, through the woods that we can go that has like a little thing like added to the levee where like a pipe comes out, and we could just box them in the lake and just snipe whoever, because they're gonna fire obviously, and we can just shoot whoever comes out of it.
Third part.
Yeah.
Yeah. The trees.
That was Henry.
Boy, what? Gunshots count?
John just ran. No way.
Hey, 1 second. Gunshots count.
What?
Do gun hits count?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
I'm out.
I was about to light him up again. John's over there. Okay, I'm in a bad position if John's over here. Go, go, go. Where, I don't know where John is at though. No, wait, it was Henry and Morgan. So Morgan's out there with the M16 somewhere.
I saw 2 people back.
Oh, look right there. So I don't.
They formed an alliance like I freaking told you guys, and then they told us to come here and form alliance, and then they just knife kill us.
They formed alliances?
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, they're on the beach, on the beach, on the beach.
Oh, I see him.
They don't got the longest range.
Briggs. Hey, Benjamin. Give them a little extra lighting up, okay? Like when they say hit, maybe shoot them a couple more times.
Oh, really?
Oh, I don't got nowhere to run.
Bruh.
Okay. Woo! He ran. Whoa! Whoa! Where is he?
Jump form an alliance. Big boys.
Big chunky boys. Oh, hey, shh, stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down. Morgan is right there. Morgan is right in the woods. Morgan's coming our way, this way. Okay, stay down, stay down. Okay, can you get some cover fire for me? In 3. Here it is. Morgan's like right over there.
Okay.
Oh, Briggs is right there. Oh. We're boxed in. Yes, this is perfect. It's perfect. He's behind a tree. Right, where? Where? Where is he? Oh, I see him. Hey, Morgan is somewhere over here. Where's John and him at?
Bro, you gotta be joking.
What? You got a babies?
I'm a bad shot. Oh, there he is.
What is that?
Bro, you gotta be kidding.
Oh, you got Robert. Who's that up there? Who's on the? Hey, look right there. Look.
Yeah, I see him. Oh, he's pushing out.
Robert's dead. Robert's dead. You know that, right?
Don't shoot.
Don't. Who is that? Hey, go, Robert, run across. Ceasefires, I got.
Bruh.
I said ceasefires. Robert runs across. It's Morgan. Who's that? No response. How many times do we have to say that?
By the way, you didn't get me.
We didn't get you. Just quit.
You didn't get me.
Bruh.
You just quit.
No. I got hit. By Morgan.
Okay. I never said I got you. A BB just landed right next to my freaking butt. Did he change trees?
Same tree.
Dude, Briggs almost hit me when I said ceasefire for Robert to run across. Where? I bet John is so mad right now because I forgot about John. When I knew he was, like, I thought he was dead. Okay. Go through that bamboo stuff over there. Just go, yeah, right through there. No, right through here.
You lead the way.
Okay, Morgan's over there. I have no idea where John is.
I don't know if that's true.
Dude. See those kind of bushes over there?
Alright.
John, what do you say?
We're both out.
Let's move up. Hey, if John pops out, we both have full auto. I think we can take him.
I got my full.
Hey, it's me. I'm out.
That was definitely fish here. Does not look that bad.
I'm already out.
I'm kidding, I knew you.
About to steal me from Point.
I'm kidding, I know you.
Yeah.
Wow, good job.
Hey, any hints on Big John?
He's pretty cool.
Hey, look, there's Morgs. Not Morgs.
Oh shoot, it's right there.
BB's come this far. John, I'm worried about now.
John's probably just like in the middle of a bush.
Hey, look.
Got us in our sights.
John's in the water.
What?
He's in the water.
Oh,
Yes, John.
dude, I couldn't see.
I got John. John, that was awesome. Right when I said he's probably in the water, he hops right out.
Dang it.
John, were you like under?
Yeah, like he was under.
Oh, I couldn't even see.
I didn't get one of you?
No. Thinking Morgan is coming to the bridge. Okay. Sit right here.
So loud?
Huh? Sorry, I'll be quiet.
Hey, he might be on the left side of the bridge. Keep going up.
Left side.
Left. We're gonna have. How about I get the right side, you get the left? Okay, we'll both go to the left. Want me to go first since I have a vest?
Yeah, sure. You know what I could do? I could put the backpack on my front.
I just thought about that.
Let's do it. I'm about to go full on juggernaut.
This is terrifying. I don't like that. Did you hear the brrr? I hate it. Oh, I'm drink on it. Hey, you know the tactical turtle?
Yeah.
Grab my shoulder. Like that.
I got you.
Don't hesitate. He's not even gonna be. Oh, hit! Hit! Woo! Hit! Sheesh! Whew. Whew, dang, bro! Nice gun.
Oh, hit.
Holy crap! Good
Right
get.
in the cheek.
What cheek?